Hello, what's up students? Welcome to Luminary Academy, and today I'm back with a new video, and today I'll be showing you how to solve the question based on sets. Okay, I'll be drawing the Venn diagram also. So let's do the question from the igcse books of exercise 10.4. Okay, so there is a chapter 10. From that we are doing exercise 10.4, question number 1. Okay, in this it is written that A is a set in which there is a country name, that is Egypt, Libya, Morocco and Chad, and in the B set there is Iran, Turkey and Egypt. Okay, draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the above information. Okay, and copy and complete the statement A union B, A intersection B, right? So to do this, what we need to do, first we need to draw the Venn diagram for the A part. So to do that, I'll be just drawing one diagram. This is a Venn diagram. This is set A and this is set B. Okay, this is A and this is B. Now I'll be writing the names of the country. So Egypt, obviously it is coming in both the sets, so I'll be writing Egypt as E here, Egypt. Okay, Libya in set A, Morocco in set A and Chad in set A, and here Iran and then Turkey and Egypt is already there. So Iran and Turkey I wrote here. Now they are asking that in the B part, this is the answer of A part, we already done, and this is basically a universal set, right? So generally we write the universal set inside. So this is the answer. Now in the B part it is written that A intersection B. So the answer of A intersection B will be what? See, you know that A intersection means the common part. Okay, so if you see that this is the common part, right? So this is your common part, this is your common part, so this is A intersection B, right? So what will be your answer? So your answer will be Egypt. So this is the answer of A part. A ka first part. Now B second part. B second part is A union B. A union B, what I already told you is that what we generally do is we take all the values, we generally take all the values, right? So what are the values we are taking? It includes all the values of set A and B both, including the A intersection B. So what are the values coming in this set? Let's write. So the answer is Libya, Morocco, Chad, Egypt. I'm writing the short form, the first word actually, Iran and Turkey. Okay, so this is your answer. So Egypt, and the second one is all the name of the countries, but do not repeat the Egypt two times, only one time. So that's why I written Egypt only once. So in the set we should know that we cannot repeat the element, right? So answer is done. Let's proceed to the second question. Here it is written that P is one set in which there are numbers 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and Q is a set in which there are numbers that are 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Okay, you need to draw the Venn diagram to illustrate the above information and copy and complete the following statement P intersection Q and P union Q. So first we'll draw the Venn diagram for the A part. To draw the Venn diagram, you already know we can draw like this. Okay, and then you need to just make two circles. As I already told you that in the Venn diagram we use this type of uh, circles and rectangles. Now you need to see that which numbers are repeating both. So 2, 11, 13, 11, 13 and 17. These three numbers are repeating. So first we'll write this three number here, 11, 13 and 17, right? As these numbers were repeating. Okay, and in the set A, this is set P and this is set Q, right? So here I will take the numbers which are not repeating, 2, 5, 7, then 11, 13 and 17 is here already. Now here I will take 15 and 19. These two number will come. Okay, so I will just put a rectangle here. So this is a Venn diagram. Okay, I hope you got the idea, right? Now in the B part, you need to show that P P part first part, B का first part, P intersection Q. What you need to write? In the P intersection Q, you already know that it is a common part. So this is the common part between these two. So this will be your answer. So I'll be writing the numbers as 11, 13 and 17, right? In the second one, if you see, we have P union Q. So P union Q will be all the parts which includes in the two sets together, P union, but do not repeat the number, right? So this is P union Q, right? So here you need to write like this, that in the second part it is P union Q will include 2, 5, 7. Now remember that do not repeat these numbers again, only once you can write. So 11, 13, 17, 15 and 19. So this is your answer for the second question, B part, right? So student, let's proceed to the third question. In the third question, the B set is given to you 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, okay, and A union B is given to you. So we can draw the Venn diagram first so that we can understand it properly, okay. And there are two sets, A and B. So we'll be drawing this Venn diagram, okay. And here we will see that, take the green color, okay. So here B set is this and A set is this, okay. Now B set intersection is given, so 2 and 4, right? 2 and 4 will be obviously will be included in the section which is common, so you already know that the common part will write here, okay, right? Now here if you see that uh, A union B is given to you, so A union B, so whatever includes in A and B, it is written here. So you can see that if A intersection B includes 2 and 4 and A union B includes the number, so I will be writing the numbers in the which are given in the B. So 2 and 4 is given, already written here. 6 and 8 and 10, 6, 8 and 10 I will be writing here, okay. So what are left, the numbers which are left in A union B, you can see here. So 1 is not there, so I'll write 1 here because 1 is not including in B part. So B, 2 is there, we already wrote here, this is 2. 3 is not there, so 3 will be writing here. 4 already it is here. 6, 8 and 10 already here. So what are the numbers which are included in the A set? A in 1 and 3. So you can write that A set includes the number 1 comma 3, okay. So this was the answer. Now they have given the question that represent the above information on a Venn diagram. So we have already done, and we already written the set A includes number 1 and 3, okay. So we are done with the question. Let's proceed to the next question. So now coming to the next question, that is question number 5, okay. In the fifth question, the Venn diagram is directly given to you, okay. What you need to do is, I'll just decrease the size so that we can see it properly, right? So in this fifth question, what you can see is that there is a Venn diagram given to you. Y, in the Y set you have 4 and 10. In the W we have 1, 10, 4, 5, 7, 6, 2, 9. In X we have 8, 6, 7, 2, 9, 3. In Z we have 3, 2 and 9, okay. So copy and complete the following statement. What are the numbers or the objects, elements present in the W set? So in the W set, what you will write? In the W set you can write, I'm writing directly here only. So for the A part, first part, okay, this is W. So in the W, what you will do, you will write 1, 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 9, right? So this all includes in the W. Now do not include 8 and 3, okay, they are not included in W. So what are the elements in X? So in the X, this is the answer of second part. So set X includes 6, 7, 2, 9, 8, this is 9, 8 and 3, right? in the third part, you need to write all the element except z. So except z, so z is 3, 2 and 9. So anything which is except these numbers will be included. So 1, 10, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so this 2, 3 and 9 will not be included. Okay, now coming to fourth part, in this it is written that w intersects z. W intersection z means w and z, what are the common part between w and z? So w and z we have only two common part, that is 2, here it is 2 and 9. This is only common. So what is the answer of this w intersection z? The answer is 2 comma 9, right? Next, w intersection z. So for the fifth, w intersections, sorry, w intersection x. So it is I'll write it again, w intersection x. So you need to go again and w intersection x. So what is the common part between the w and x? W and x, the common part includes 6 and 7 also. So we'll include the four numbers. Okay, so 2, 9, 6 and 7. So we'll write directly 2, 9, 6 and 7 will be your answer. 2, 9, 6 and 7, right? In the sixth part it is written that, in the sixth part it is given that y intersection z. What includes in y intersection z? What is the common between y intersection z? So there is no common. See, y is here, this is y, this is your y, this is your z. Okay, so there is no common part between these two. So there is no common, so that's why we'll write only empty set. Okay, so this is a sign of nothing is common, so that is empty set. Now which of the named set is a subset of x? Okay, so which of the named set is a subset of x? Which of the following is subset of x? Obviously subset का आपको मैंने मतलब बताया था, I already explained you the meaning. Subset means, suppose I am giving you another example. Suppose a include the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, मैं आपको छोटा सा example दे रहा हूँ. I am giving you small example so that you can understand. Now x here, or we can name this y. Suppose this is a y. Okay, in the y I include the numbers 2, 3, 4, right? So can I tell that y is a subset of a? Okay, sure, obviously. So here what you can do is you can say that y is the subset of w, because here it is asked which of the, okay, subset of x they are asking, subset of x. So z is the subset of x, obviously, because z includes uh, uh, x has the element 8, 6, 7, 2, 9, 3, and z includes the elements which are already present in x. So that's why z is a subset of, so z is a subset of what? X. Okay, so I hope you got it. Here y is a subset of a, so y is a subset of a. You can also write like this, z is a subset of x, right? So I hope student you like the video and you have gone through the important questions based on subsets of set notation and Venn diagram. In the next video also I'll be solving these types of questions, so please subscribe, keep watching and also press the bell icon. Thank you.